Salam everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Swimming Lessons with Jay Peck. Today I'm working with Lalia. Right here you see me working on her arms when she get ready to swim. This time around, man, I had Lalia and her brother Kenan. Right here we working on his arms. Gotta fix him up. He kept bending that left arm. But we finally got it right after this one. And you can see him fix it right here. We move on to kicking. Right here I demonstrate for Lalia. Just letting her know she has to be able to kick in order to swim. So right there, she kind of does it, but not quite. So right here, we just polishing up her kicking. Just coaching her up a little bit. And I noticed right here how slow Lalia is kicking. So I explained to her that she has to kick fast to properly swim. So right here, I give an example on how to kick when she is swimming. And we're going to give Lalia another try at kicking. See if she kicks faster this time. And she does. And right here is Lalia's first attempt of swimming. Not the best technique, but hey, at least she knows now how to swim. But we have to use better techniques. So right now, I'm going to coach her up a little bit. Work on her arms. And we're going to give her another attempt of swimming to the wall. And let's see if she makes it this time. She takes off. She's kicking better. Still have to use better arms, but she knows how to swim now. She makes it to the wall consistently, and we move on to the next step. And this step prepares my swimmers for the deep end of the pool. It's just jumping off the steps and swimming to me. Right here, I had to coach her up a little bit. The first time wasn't the charm, so I'm going to give her another attempt of swimming to me. And let's see if she does a little better this time. Right here, you can see her using those arms a little bit more, kicking a little bit more, and it's a lot better. Great job, Lalia. And we move on to the deep end. People be ready. Let's see how Lalia does. Right now, we in 8 feet of water. This is the deep end of the pool. And she jumps off and swims to me. And I never let my swimmers halfway do anything. So right here, just making sure that she swims to the wall. This is her second attempt. A little bit better this time. She swims to me. I never let my swimmers halfway do anything, like I said. So right here, I want her to grab the wall and pull herself up, and she does. This is her brother, Kenan. Kenan was a talented kid, man. Great swimmer. Right here, you can see him swimming to the short end of the pool. And he doesn't panic. He gathers himself, dog cuddles, and he swims to the short end. This is Kenan's second attempt. Let's see how he does here. This is Lalia's third attempt. And right here you can see her getting better and better. She swims to me. And now she has to finish. And let's see how Lalia finishes this time. She makes it to the wall. And we rolling. This is Kenan's last attempt. Let's see how he does this time. And of course, He killed it. Thank y'all for tuning in, and more videos on the way.